Investing on a good wireless lavalier microphone will definitely make your content way much better, especially if you are accepting clients' project. Or you are just a vlogger that shoots more on sit-down vlogs just like this. So in this video guys, I'm going to share with you the best features of this lavalier mic, which is the Hollyland Lark 150. But before we proceed, I would like to thank Hollyland for sending this product to me, including the shirt and the souvenir. And it's very awesome. They have sent me this product a few weeks ago, and I already tested it out so I can share with you guys why you should consider this mic for your filmmaking journey. So don't forget to use your earphone while watching this review. So inside the sealed box, you will get to see the warranty card, manual, accessories for the Lark 150 such as 2 windscreen or dead cat, 2 lavalier microphone, TRS cable for camera, TRRS cable for phone, 2 extra removable foam windscreen, and also the case and 1 receiver and 2 transmitter. Basically, these are the things that included on the box, and you have an option to choose for your preferred color such as black and white. As you can see, the case itself has a premium and matte design. The brand name and the logo along with the model name is also visible on the cover. In addition, at the back of the case, there's a Type-C charging port, and on the front, it has the charging light indicator. This case serves as the charger of the 2 transmitter and receiver. You can also house the USB Type-C cord inside to make sure that it won't get lost or separated. The transmitter has a small and light design, and if you'll use it, it's not that visible when you clip it on your shirt, especially if the subject is wearing dark shirt just like this. By the way, it has a clip, a mute, and a power button on the side. This also has a 3.5 jack input for the lavalier mic if you want to use it. So here's the microphone, and you can also attach a furry windscreen so you can also use it outdoor. When you turn it on, it will automatically pair to the receiver, which is great. You can clip the 2-channel receiver to your camera shoe and features easy access volume knobs to adjust the audio gain level from 0 to 20. The easy-to-read OLED screen display that shows the connection and the battery status of all 3 units along with the metering for audio levels. You can also use the controlling knob as a mute button by just pressing it once. The receiver has 4 modes. When you press the knob button for 3 seconds, it will change to phone mode, safe track, which you can record single mic at lower level on a separate track as a backup if the main track is too loud. Then mono, record a single microphone to both audio tracks in your camera or phone. And the last is the stereo. You can record 2 mics with each on the separate track. For now, I'm using the mono mode. This will record a single microphone to both audio tracks in my camera. On the side of the transmitter, it has a line out where you can connect the TRS or the TRRS cable to your camera, phone, or audio recorder. On the other side, you can connect an earphone or headphone to monitor the audio real-time while filming your subjects. Overall, since it's compact, you can carry it anywhere and it's very handy. One of the things that I like from Lark 150 is its receiver has a controlling knob where you can adjust the audio gain level on both transmitter while filming your subject, and also the 4 modes that I have mentioned earlier. On the other hand, you can also remove or use the foam windscreen on your lavalier mic. This is also convenient if you want to hide it on your shirt while filming. Lark 150 is also flexible since you can also use it for your phone. Hollyland made a good decision on it as they included the TRS to TRRS cable, which is very helpful for those who want to use their phone for filming. I even tested it outdoor to see how the transmitter works with or without lavalier microphone.
Hi guys, so this is Glenn Navarro and I am the sister of JC Navarro, and what I'm holding right now is a Hollyland Lark 150 transmitter. So right now, if you can see, I'm actually like a 1 meter away from the camera. Later on, I will clip it on my clothing here just to make sure that we'll test all the range and the distance from this transmitter. So we do have like a lot of factors right now going on because we are here at outdoor. So let's check it out and we'll have a 100-meter range test for this Hollyland Lark 150. And I will go to that direction and let's see. We will again range test this Lark 150 and hopefully it will work. So right now we are approximately like around 5 meters away from the camera. Let's just keep walking and hopefully this will record our audio crisply, I would say. So I believe we're on like around 30 meters away. I think it's 50 meters away though, but sound check, check. Hollyland Lark 150, sound check. Sound check. So I have here like there's a construction going on. There are childrens who are playing right now and I'm on a grassland. So hopefully you'll be able to hear the sound, the noise here where I'm standing right now. And of course there's tricycle, there are vehicles around me. There's a construction going on. Again, there's a helicopter because we're here at Clark area. So I'm moving now straight towards the camera, of course, with the Lark 150 clipped on my t-shirt. And we will try to go to the left direction. So what we did earlier is we just go straight away from the camera. And what I'm going to do right now is we will try to hide one of these vans, one of the vehicles here, and see if the Lark 150 will still capture the noise. So I'll just try to roam around and keep my voice here. Hello, hello. Mic check 1 2. Hello, 1 2. Can you still hear me? Hope you can still hear me though. I'm sorry for my voice, I have a cold. And let's go back towards our camera. So guys, if you'll know, the Hollyland Lark 150 is an omnidirectional polar pattern which picks up sound in 360-degree radius. It is equal sensitive to sound at all angles. If I actually speak right now, so it will capture the 360 degrees from my mouth up until here. So guys, in addition to that, the case charges the whole system in about 2.5 hours with a 4.5 battery capacity on the transmitter itself and also 7.5 life for the receiver. So guys, we will now try to connect the receiver here in my phone and still try to check the audio quality from this transmitter. Right now, my receiver is already connected to my phone. So if you can see, there is a TRS to TRRS, which is currently connected to a Type-C cord, and then it right goes to my phone. You should be able to hear right now my voice, again, the background noise because we're here in outdoor. So we will be expecting more for Lark 150, especially for its audio quality.
This is like an interview type of shoot. I use the lavalier mic here to achieve a professional setup look.
Actually, we're at the center, so we're near at everything. Beaches, mountains, cities.
So you mentioned beaches. Who are these? I'm just kidding. Who are these beaches?
Well, I do have.
Oh.
I'm kidding.
You have.
We have Baler, we have Dingalan. It is actually part of Aurora. And also we're near at Subic because we already have Esitex.
Yes, I've heard about that.
Yep, and La Union, Baguio. Yeah, it's really convenient in Nueva Ecija because we're
So,
near at
are
everywhere.
you? Do you consider yourself like as a traveler, or no?
And-
You mentioned that you're a homebody, but were you able to like explore
Yeah.
other towns aside from Nueva Ecija?
I had a chance to travel, but I'd prefer staying at home. I'm not just telling this to sell this. I can attest that it is a great product,
Yes.
and I'm pretty sure it will be popular amongst videographers, even in showbiz industry. Pretty sure.
Oh.
And some upcoming videographers as well if they
Correct.
want to create short stories, short movies, anything. Alright, friends?
That's right.
So when it comes to its price, this will definitely worth the cost, as you can use this for your professional filming projects. But my overall rate for Lark 150, I would say that this is an awesome lavalier mic. I will definitely use this for my vlogs and clients project. I will recommend the Lark 150 for those who want to upgrade and change their game when it comes to audio quality. So I will put the link in the description where you can buy this mic. You can check out the Hollyland's website. They also offer other video equipments for your filming needs. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope I was able to share my feedback about the Hollyland Lark 150. So if you want to watch more of this content, don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you will be updated every time I post a video. So thank you for watching, guys, and see you on my next vlog. Bye!